Yo, what is good? It is 7:21, 9:21, April 9th. So let's go ahead and do some pre-market analysis. So we've just been chopping, consolidating, generating a lot of sell-side liquidity as well as buy-side liquidity. So honestly, this could go either way. We have Asia high and London high stacked above us. We also have London low. Honestly, I don't really know. See price come down, maybe manipulate here. 12 points on ES. It's kind of realistic. Or we come up and sweep this buy side. Okay, I think we're going to honestly... Fuck, actually, I have no idea. We're going to have to see. It just depends whichever way we manipulate to off open. I think it's more realistic we dump and then go higher. That London low is really... Okay, so we actually already swept London high on NQ. So you can't... Oh, bless me, fuck. So this drawn liquidity is no longer valid. We also have SMT with ES, unless ES, wants to come out and take this high. We're just have to see what the market gives us. Fuck. Okay. God, I fucking hate allergies, bro. Anyways, just depending on market opens, we can either see some manipulation down and distribution up, or manipulation up and distribution down. Either one is fine with me. We just gotta wait and see what happens, bro. Oh, fuck, I'll blow my nose. Oh, fuck. Dude, I've been getting not a lot, but I've gotten a few hate comments on TikTok recently. And, I don't really give a shit what people have to say about me, but I think it's just funny. Like, these dudes who are commenting they hate things are just always wrong and don't post any videos, or there's complete jackasses. So, this guy commented on my shit earlier this morning. He was like, I did a recap of my trade yesterday, is this or something over there, and he was like, dog, that's not an inverse, bro, that's just a fair value gap. And I had just taken a screenshot on the 3-minute chart because it was consolidating. I just didn't want the screenshot to be super big, but literally the inverse was just on the 1 minute. So it's so much easier to just scroll on a video and hate and then like leave. But this dude literally zoomed in on the video, took a screenshot of where I said the inverse was, and was like, this is literally not an inverse, bro, this is just a fair value gap, you fucking idiot. And I was just like, bro, come on, like this is just embarrassing, bro. Like, and he's like, I have 5 years of market experience. Like, dude, you have 5 years of market experience. You know better than to be a little dipshit like that. Not gonna lie, but it's all good. More engagement, more views for me. Maybe I'll make it out one day. So yeah, we're good. I just thought it was funny. But that means my shit's getting on the For You page, so I'll take it. A win is a win. We got 6 minutes to market open. Okay, yeah, let's get some draws on liquidity, actually. So 4 hour, a lot of rejection. Okay, we're just consolidating. There's a bug in my hand right now. That was probably tough as fuck if you just saw it on the camera. Maybe it wasn't in my hand. Yeah, I don't know where the fuck it went. Okay, anyways, bro, that was embarrassing. Say records, hold up. Alright, well, this is like the shittiest price action ever. Had an inversion to the upside and just failed immediately. Something to keep in mind. Still have just tons of sell side down here. Honestly, we might just manipulate up. We could just manipulate up and sweep that London high. And then come back down. Yeah, also, I just feel like it's more realistic to rebalance the market, especially because that relief rally ceasefire news is just not very strong anymore. Could definitely see us. There we go. Got 4 minutes. Just some finishing touches. Let's see. No, let's go on the 15. Like, Yeah, we just got a lot of draws on liquidity, honestly. We're just in a pretty fat range. Okay, so we got bullish signal right here. 15 within a 4 hour. Okay, this 4 hour is low-key invalid to me at this point. We've just tapped into it so many times it's just fucking up my chart. Unless we start dumping, we inverse it, then it becomes relevant again. Dude, I feel just retarded. Okay. I'll make this shit green just for... There we go. Oh, that's nice. You know, yeah, I don't need to fucking tell if it's 15. 15 bull. Okay, so we tap into this 15 bull after probably, yeah, it's pretty clean. So yeah, I'd either want to see us tap into this or inverse it. Should have sent us higher initially, it did, but then we just were consolidating. So okay, that's ES. Now in Q, same shit. Okay, let's get out of here. We're just trading in that 4 hour. Yeah, okay, so we already swept the London high. This New York PM high and New York lunch high are just not strong draws on liquidity. I feel like we do have previous day high up here as well as previous day low. We're just in a huge range. Okay, so we're manipulating pre-market. A lot stronger delivery on NQ. Let's just go on the 1 minute and see what happens. I would, yeah, if we can just rally and take out these highs. I really don't think it's going to be a long day. I think we're gonna be looking for shorts today. All right, now let's just wait. Market opens in about 90 seconds. We'll see what's going on. I'm excited. We got SMT already. Bearish. It's probably gonna get taken out in a second though. Yeah, no, here we go. Accumulation, manipulation, and we can expect full distribution. Hopefully we deliver to these highs with speed so we can leave behind some fair value gaps. It's an inverse, and bam. Bam. Yeah, let's keep pumping. Yeah, I have a feeling market open is just going to absolutely rip, and then we can get in on some shorts. Yeah, okay. We still have that New York PM high, so, and as well as lunch high and previous day high. But that's like really far away. Yeah, 182 points. That's honestly pretty unrealistic. I can see us getting to here though. All right, let's see. Now let's just stay out of it. Yep, there it is. Sweep that London high, as well as that Asia high. Fuck. Would prefer to at least one of these draws to get swept. Yeah, and this initial indecision tells me that we're not going to have really clean delivery today. Looks kind of clean. I need to wait for closure though. And a nice little V shape. But if it flips and we just take longer, I'm completely fine with that. Thank God I waited, bro. Holy fuck. Thank God. Like 10 cons. Fuck no. So we go 8. Might even go slide down to 7. Yeah, thank God I didn't pull the trigger on this one. Yeah, so we're chopping around already. This is probably just because we're waiting for some headline news. Yeah, so we tapped into a fair value gap. Could send us higher, maybe. I don't know. I'm not really too interested in longs, though, honestly. No, I'm down to just not take a trade. At least right now. I could come back for PM or Asia session. So I'm chill with this. Should have look. He just went to class, though. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, I have like 250 absences. You think I can graduate still or what, bro? I better be able to, bro. That would be really unfortunate. Okay, so this inversion looks clean, but the lack of speed on ES is a little concerning. We're getting the same body candle, but we're not in the same place. Fuck, I don't know. That was a really strong inversion. This stop placement is wicked, bro. This is exactly what I wanted to see. But just doesn't look very good on ES. That's the one hesitation I have about this trade. Just targeting that CE of the 15. So we're getting pretty strong delivery on NQ. I just don't know what's going on with ES. Really strong delivery. Holy shit. Now let's wait for some closure and then we can go break even here. I should mark this out. There we go. Risk-free trade. Now let's just let this one play out. We're about to go break even. Ooh. Oh my god, my shit's getting edged, bro. Yeah, if we can just go lower now, that'd be really nice. Nice, dude. Holy fuck, that was really close, bro. Okay, we're break even though. Oh shit, A plus. Okay, I'm happy going break even on that one. Not gonna lie. It's better than taking an L. It's just ES not delivering at all is the problem. We have A plus indicator alert though. Do I like it? Yes. Kinda. I don't know if I really want to take this. Let's wait for closure. Let's see if we can get good speed. Okay, it looks pretty clean. Yeah, and you know what? We bounced off this 15-minute and immediately started delivering rejection candle, V-shape inversion. A plus indicator alert. Really like the setup, and if it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. Yeah, I was looking kind of stupid getting in a short here when we have a 15 below, especially when we're not delivering out of a higher time frame from above. That just kind of makes this one stronger down here. So just something to remember, something to journal. Yeah, we're just going to go to New York AM high. It was really choppy on ES, though. Like, there's absolutely no entries on ES. I'm going to just trust the setup. Kind of a high break-even level, but it's all good. I don't know what you can do. Let's get hydrated. Let's get hydrated, boys. Dude, I just wish ES was cleaner, man. I feel like this would be delivering so much better right now. Just might be a longer trade, but I think we're gonna get there. Bouncing off the 15 inversion. I don't know where exactly the fucking inversion is. I actually don't see it. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. I have no idea. Stop doesn't really have to be this low. What the fuck is this price action, bro? Oh my god, another chop day, bro. I mean, I really don't fuck with that at all, but what can you do? What can you do about it? That's some straight bullshit, though, I'm not gonna lie. We consolidate all Asia and all London. We still can't get any clean moves. I mean, the fuck. Got break through this high. close through it. That's what we really need to see right now, not another rejection. We swept the high. Just need to keep delivering now. Another A+ indicator alert. Oh, well, we did have it for a second. If we can just keep chopping, but maintaining the bullish market structure, completely fine with that. That's what the play I had yesterday was. Just swept Asia and London. Okay, well, trail the stop to right here. Price has no reason to come down there. Nice, really good delivery. Let's wait for close. We still got a minute left on that candle, so let's not go break even too preemptively. We got another A+ indicator alert. Nice. Okay, I think we're good to go break even. There it is. Full take profit just hit. Really good trading day today. Was patient, waited for exactly what I wanted to see. You know, the first time we were wrong, that was just a little technical error. We got break even, good risk management. Just, you know, it was the classic Power 3 model. We shouldn't have been. Oh my, yeah. So we were rejecting really nicely off this 15 before, but it's all good. Everything happens for a reason. Played out really nicely. We got the rejection off the 15 with the, I don't know where the fuck the inverse is, but I don't want to say it on the video because then I'm gonna get harassed. And then, but we reject off 15, V-shape recovery, A+ indicator alert. So we had SMT, we had drawn liquidity, we had liquidity sweep, everything. High time frame PDA delivery out of this 15, targeting 930 high. So there it is. Its indicator's great. You know, I didn't really have to do a lot of the heavy lifting. It just did it for me. So let's journal these bad boys. I guess I just add this in the video. Not bad at all, baby. Let's go. MNQ. So first one was short futures. I think I was 8 cons. Yep, 8 cons. 04, 09, 2026 at, fuck, what time was it at, bro? Nice, we really top ticked that shit. Let's go. That's what we like to see. 933 to 936. $36. Reversal. I was pretty confident. 4 stars. Patient. I actually can't type this morning. Patient. Power 3. After sweeping London high. Just shouldn't have had TP at 15-minute respected fair value gap. Good risk management and good break even. Okay, well, that's the first trade. Oh, we just hit 60 trades. Let's go. Okay, and the next one was at 9:36. Do this every fucking morning, bro. 9:43. This long futures, 8 contracts. 0409/2026. Fuck, what time is it? 9:36 to 9:42. That was just 800 flat or what? 820. Nice. Reversal. Confident. 5 stars. A plus. Indicator. Alert. Delivering out of 15-minute fair value gap. IFVG, CISD, SMT. Everything. Nothing. Good trade and good management. Good psych today also. Yeah, so there it is. We crossed the $14,000 threshold. 64% win rate, 62 trades. Not too shabby, man. We're just flowing. Absolutely flowing. April's been pretty good. Only had one red day. Really hope I can transfer over this mindset, psychology, and also just trading ability over to my funded account when I do get on there. I'm confident, but I'm not cocky. I know the markets are they reward discipline and patience, and they take greed and impatience. They say they fuck you when you do that. So we're gonna remain calm, collected, and cool. And until next time, tomorrow morning, peace out.